I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by locating the exact backup and making sure conditions are right. First, confirm whether your backup is in Google Drive, an SD card, or a third-party cloud. This determines the app and permissions you'll need. Once done, plug in power or ensure the battery is above 50% and connect to reliable Wi-Fi. Next, open Settings and navigate to System Backup or launch the backup app you used. You're ready to start the actual restore process now. You now pick the backup file and begin restoring apps and data. Select the correct date and source, then review the list of apps to restore so you avoid unnecessary reinstalls. Make sure you grant requested permissions, storage, contacts, messages, and allow app installs from your chosen source if prompted. During the transfer, keep Wi-Fi and power stable. Do not force close the backup app or reboot. If some apps require re-signing or account verification, the system will prompt you to complete those steps. Finish by opening restored apps and signing into accounts so services sync back. Confirm key app data, messages, settings, and game progress are present. If something is missing, reinstall the app from Google Play and use its in-app restore or manual import. If a restore stalls or reports errors, reboot the device and retry. Clear the backup app cache or free up storage space before trying again. One key troubleshooting tip: if cloud restores fail repeatedly, export the backup locally and restore from the SD card or USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.